Welcome to this 5-minute meditation. Begin by finding a relaxed position. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, calming breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs. Slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress you're holding onto. Take another deep breath, feeling your chest rise as you inhale, and slowly exhale, releasing any stress you may be holding onto. Let each breath help you relax deeper and let go of what no longer serves you. As you continue to breathe slowly, bring to mind anything that is weighing you down, whether it's stress, worry, or negative thoughts. With each exhale, imagine releasing these feelings, allowing them to float away like leaves in the wind. With every breath, let go a little more. Let your body feel lighter with each inhale. And with each exhale, release any tension or heaviness. Trust that you can let go, and it's safe to do so. Now, focus on your body. Notice any areas where you might be holding tension. Gently breathe into those areas. With each exhale, feel the tension melt away, allowing your body to soften and relax. With each breath, remind yourself that it's okay to let go. You don't need to carry everything with you. Allow yourself to release whatever is no longer needed. Feel your body becoming lighter as you release anything that's holding you back. Breathe in peace and calm, and breathe out anything that is weighing you down. Take one more deep breath in. Feel the calmness settling within you. And as you exhale, let go completely, knowing that you are free to be present in this peaceful moment. To simply sit in the stillness of this space. Feel the sense of relief and freedom that comes from letting go. Allow yourself to fully embrace this peaceful state. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to relax and reset.